Hi guys, and welcome back to AmandaMuse. So Jack and I just got back from doing some groceries, right bud? Hello. Okay, bye. It is a flash spring day right now. It's something like 9 degrees Celsius outside. Everything's melting. So I'm gonna crack the windows, let some fresh air in, and I'm gonna do a really fast tidy, not too really any deep cleaning. My cleaning lady comes next week, so it can wait for her. But my dad's coming by this afternoon around 2 o'clock, and he's gonna stay for dinner, so I've done a little bit of meal kind of prepping for today. And so I thought I would just follow me and let's do that. So the focus is gonna be cleaning and the food. Okay, let's go. All right, we've got a lasagna for tomorrow. I needed juice and milk and creamer and stuff. Jack's favorite, he loves breakfast sausages. I also got one of these kind of just, you know, backup dinner, farmhouse pie, you know, that kind of thing. I needed coffee filters, and tonight I am making a chicken, and we've got broccoli and basmati rice and cheese, one of those like casseroles, you know, with like the cream of chicken soup. So making that. I got pork chops for another dinner, and Esme loves bacon. These were on sale, so I thought I'd give those a go. And tonight I'm going to be making an overnight rolled oats chia seed blueberry thing I saw on the daily tiramisu recipe thing. It's a friend of mine here. She's an Instagrammer and chef, and I'll link it below. And then various snacks, peanut butter, and that kind of stuff. Just letting this simmer for a little bit so that the broccoli softens. I've basically done the preliminary bit for cooking, and then to finish it off, I'm going to shred half a cup more, sprinkle it on top, and put it under the broiler for a couple minutes. So there we go, dinner's done. I think we'll have an early dinner around 4:45, 5 o'clock. So we're gonna make these from Julie's breakfast thing. They're like little overnight oats. All right, I definitely added more cheese, but now we're good to go. And there it is, a yummy one-pan meal.